ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Cool. Say, let's go.
Here you go.
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Rae.
What's your name?
Rae.
What's your name?
Rae.
That's right, and you're watching Ryan and Rae make ice cream. But tonight, actually, we're not making ice cream because, Rae, what are we gonna make? Do you remember?
Cream.
Well, kinda. We are actually gonna make a milkshake.
We're making milkshake.
Yeah, so we're gonna use our milkshake machine, and we are going to have a lot of fun making it.
We grab chocolate and look.
We can do that. So anyway, we will teach you all how to do it. We're actually gonna make Thin Mint Milkshake using the Thin Mint ice cream that we made last week. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun with this. So Rae, you ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Say, let's go.
Let's go.
So as you can see, we have our Hamilton Beach milkshake machine right here. And this is one of those old school milkshake machines that works really well. We love it. So if you want to make a good, thick milkshake, I would definitely recommend using this. Now, if you don't have one of those Hamilton milkshake machines, which honestly most people
I
don't.
don't want that one. I don't like it too loud.
Oh, it is pretty loud. But if you don't have one of those milkshake machines, you can definitely use one of these. Just do it for as slow as you can.
What is that?
Yeah, we'll use this one. We've got our ice cream right there. That is our Thin Mint ice cream that we made last week. We've also got a little bit of chocolate sauce, and we've got our milk right there.
It's cold. Yeah.
So we'll get this open up. There we go. As you can see, we've already had quite a bit. We are going to use...
I'll do it.
Okay. Use our ice cream scoop, and we'll get some scoops out so we can pour it right into our bowl. How you doing over there?
Good.
Do you need some help?
Oh my God.
All right. Should have this ready by next week. Here is our third and final scoop. Typically for the milkshakes, I like to use 3 scoops of ice cream. Rae's going to pour that in. It's a good thing this is for us. So we've got everything in here, and now we just need to put in... Rae, what are we gonna put in next?
Chocolate.
I mean, we can, but we should probably put in something else first.
Look.
That's right.
I'm putting it here.
You want to pour it in? All right, we can do that. We've got our 3 scoops in there. Now we have a half a cup right here that we'll use for the milk. We might want to use a little bit more. Typically the ratio I like to use is about 5 ounces of milk for every 3 scoops of milkshake. Honestly, it's not an exact science, so you can do whatever you want. And we will pour some milk in. All right, Rae's going to dump that. Good job. Should we do a little bit more? Okay, cool. We'll just do a little bit more, because that's a half a cup, 4 ounces, so we'll make it about 6 ounces or so.
Done.
Good job. So now we've got everything in here. So now what we'll do is we will take this and put it onto our Hamilton Beach milkshake machine. You can see, oh, don't turn it on yet. That goes on just like that, and it mixes it up really nice and slow, so it gets nice and thick for us. Rae may have already turned this on, but that's okay. So Rae, now that you know how to turn it on, you want to turn it on again? Yeah, so you can see it's gonna mix up just like that. Let it go for about 2 minutes or so to get really nice and thick, and we'll come back to it. You can see it's mixing up really nice in there. What's that sound? What's the machine? Typically we like to move it up and down just a little bit. And make sure the entire milkshake is mixed. Yeah. Nice and good. So we're almost ready to rock and roll. You see it's got a good thickness to it. We'll pour it into our cup. We'll add some fun designs to it. So our milkshake is all done. Now we just need to pour it into our cup, and we need to make a couple cool designs with it.
We got drink it.
We definitely have to drink it soon.
My cup.
Okay. Well, how about we make one good one, and we put like chocolate on the side and stuff like that, maybe some sprinkles in there? How's that sound?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we've got our cup right here. nothing in it yet. Typically I like to use mason jars, but right now I can't find my mason jar, so we're gonna use that. And
But we gotta use that one.
what's that? Oh, the sprinkles? Yeah, we'll use those too. But we are going to first decorate the sides of the milkshake to make it nice and pretty. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll take our chocolate, and I love to pour some chocolate on the sides and make it really nice. We're about to post this on Instagram, so we're gonna make it look pretty cute. Rae, oh, never had Rae do this, but you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So there you have it.
Oh,
We have all-
this right there.
a little bit right there. You want to get it? How was that?
Good.
Cool. So we have our chocolate all around the sides. So now
No, I got it.
you got it. Okay. Oh well, we don't need to do all that. So now we need to actually pour our milkshake into there. All right. So here we got our milkshake. And Rae, you want to pour it in? This could be the worst decision I've ever made. We'll see. Oh, good job. Okay, that's enough. Oh, that's wow. Well, that was a mistake. But that's okay. Sometimes we have to make mistakes to learn. How's the milkshake at least?
Good.
That's good. All right, cool. Well, let's clean this up a little bit.
I will do it.
Okay.
You can do it with.
Oh, you want me to do the rest? Okay, cool. Rae was kind enough to clean up most of it. Good job, Rae. Proud of you. Okay, so we've cleaned up. Rae's drank a little bit. But this is our final product. Came out pretty good. It's incredibly full, but we do need to add one more topping to it. How's that sound?
Good.
What do you think we should add to it?
Sprinkle.
Sprinkles? Oh, I forgot about those, but yeah, we can add those. So for what I thought was gonna be our last ingredient, but we might have to do something else too. We have some whipped cream right here that we're gonna throw on top.
I want some.
Well, oh, no, that's, here. Oh, I got it. So, well, that's okay. That's enough. So, we'll take our whipped cream and just pour it around the top. There we go. That's a little more than I thought it would be, but, oh, no, that's okay. That's okay.
Yes, sit and drink it.
That's a good idea. So there you have it. We have our Thin Mint Milkshake. It's gonna be really good. Obviously we haven't tried it yet, but I've tried it before and it's super good. So what we're gonna do now is take some pictures so we can post that on the Instagram, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun with it. Maybe we'll throw some sprinkles on top too. So anyway, Rae, we are all done for now. So we'll put the description, how to make it. Honestly, it's super easy. You really don't need it, but I'll do it anyway. And we are just gonna have a lot of fun. Eating whipped cream and drinking milkshakes. So, Rae, is there anything you want to say to our friends?
I'm not busy.
Okay. Well, I'll say bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.
Let's drink it at that table.
Oh, all right. We can do that.
Please bring the milkshake if we drink it.
Okay.